Let's move on to more breaking updates coming in as the top court hears same-sex marriage plea. Parents of LGBT couples have now written to the CJI. 400 parents have now written an open letter to the Chief Justice, even as the hearing on same-sex marriage is going on in the top court. For the details of this letter, let's go across to legal editor Harish Nair joining us. Harish, 400 parents writing an open letter to the CJI. Take us through these details.
Yes, that's right. For the end of the hearing, all-important hearing, 400 parents of LGBTQ children from a group called Swikar, the Rainbow Parents, have written to Chief Justice of India, CJI Chandrachud, to legalize same-sex marriage and take steps for it. The letter says, we desire to see our children and our children-in-law find legal acceptance for the relationship under the Special Marriage Act in our country. We are certain that a nation as big as ours, with respect diversity and stand for value for inclusion, will open its legal gates of marriage equality to our children too. We are growing old. Some of us will touch 80 soon. We hope that we get to see legal stamp on the rainbow marriages of our children in our lifetime. So this is a letter written by the 400 parents to the Chief Justice. It also says, from knowing about gender and sexuality to understanding the lives of the children to finally accepting their sexuality and their loved one, we have gone through the whole of emotions. We empathize with those who are opposing marriage equality because some of us were there too. It took us education, debate and patience with our LGBTQ plus children to realize that their lives, their feelings and their desires are also valid. Similarly, we hope that those who oppose marriage equality will come around too. We have faith in the people of India, the constitution and democracy of our nation. Pratibha, why this letter is important is because it tries to bolster the chances while there is stiff opposition from not only from the center but also big organizations like the NCPCR and the Bar Council of India, which have urged the Supreme Court not to interfere in the issue, saying that these are issues in Indian society does not accept same-sex marriage, and it is against the societal morality and Indian ethos, and Indian society recognizes only marriage between a biological male and biological female, and that is what is considered as sacrament, holy union and a sanskar. So in that view of the matter, this letter assumes significance. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details. The Supreme Court is, of course, continuing the hearing in the case. Let's shift our